What are we fixing? Do you remember?
Food.
Food. It's stew. Yep. Okay, here comes the water. Okay, hold on a second. Isn't this fun? This is the wall.
I want to do it.
And this is Jaden. You want to do it? Okay. You did it. Okay, now you stir. And Jaden picked out that spoon. It's his favorite, I think. And this week he has a little bit of clothes on. How's it look?
I'm going to put down on it.
Okay, is it all stirred up? The gravy. Okay, then you put all this in. Okay.
I'm going to put those all of them.
All of them.
The big one?
Yeah. There's carrots and celery
One carrot.
and meat and onions.
It's cold.
It is cold.
Oh,
Wow.
and this.
Right. Then you stir.
Oh, the big. What's that? Square. I think I got it.
Okay.
Oh, look at it in there.
What's in there? Is it too cold? Is it frozen? You want me to help? Okay.
I want this big one to stay there.
Okay. Wow, that is a big one. Oh, that's the gravy. Hasn't
I want
still
to try
frozen.
it. I want to try it.
Okay.
I'm going here.
Uh-oh, it's okay.
The carrot.
Yeah.
Oh!
There's an onion. Oh, you're getting the gravy all stirred up, aren't you?
Oh.
What? Are you ready for the big one?
I got it. I got it.
Yeah. Okay. More.
Oh! I popped it out.
You popped it out?
Uh-huh.
Who's going to eat this tonight?
Mommy, Daddy. Not me.
Not you?
Your turn.
Okay. Your turn.
Your turn.
Okay, you want to stir one more time? And then we'll turn it on and get it hot. Mommy and Daddy are going to like this, aren't they?
I'm done.
Okay. Say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Kisses. Say love you, Grandma. Come see me, Grandma.
No, we don't want to come see me.
She's not? Oh, I wish she would.
No.
She's not, huh? You are going to so fall. You be careful. Ready to get down?
No.
You want to stir some more?
No more.
Okay. Turn it on.